Hello everybody, this is your coach and dost Rachit. Hi. So today I am not going to teach you any specific lesson. No, not at all. But today I am definitely going to share some of the secrets that have helped me to learn this beautiful language called English. Okay, are you ready? So here is the first one. So first of all everybody, do not rush. Okay, don't rush. And why am I saying that? There are plenty of institutes in the market available who offer you crash courses of 15 days or 30 days or perhaps 2 months, right? Do not be trapped. Okay? The ones who are already pretty good at this language and they just need to brush upon their skills, for them it's pretty fine, alright? But if you are novice like me, okay, like Rachit, then you need to start right from the basic. And learning everything within a month or two is next to impossible. I am not saying that nobody could do that, alright? But there are very few of us who have that sort of high level of dedication. So remember that, don't rush. Number 2, which is very common in Indian students, do not complicate it. No, I am not talking about the relationships, but the very same topic. Why am I saying that don't complicate it? So there is a reason behind. There are plenty of students who start learning from every single direction. And what I mean when I say that, they start learning from the novels, they start reading that, they start reading newspaper, they start writing poems, they start writing essays. There are so many grammar books. Oh God, do not complicate it. Always start from the basic. The beauty of grammar is always same. The only thing that differs is the level of the grammar. So do not complicate it. Okay everybody, now third one. The third is do not trespass the sequence. Well, there's always an order to learn everything. Okay? Let me give you one example. If you really wish to learn reported speech, you have to have the knowledge of tenses. But I have seen students who opt for classes and what they ask me is, Rachit sir, I wish to learn voice and speech in my very first class. I am so sorry to break your heart everybody, but there's always a pattern to learn everything. Alright? So do not trespass the sequence. Well, you must be thinking that why I'm sharing only these negatives. Well, these are not negatives at all. Now let me share what I do and what you should do. Number 1, always find a companion. There has to be somebody with you whom you can interact with, alright, whom you can communicate with. If there is nobody to talk to, like so many students complain, and I know it's not an excuse, well, you do have a mirror. Stand in front of the mirror, talk to yourself and choose any topic. You don't have to choose those typical topics that are given in the schools. No, look around. There are plenty of things available, alright? No, bullseye. Know what exactly bullseye is? Well, you need to assimilate. You need to understand what exactly you wish to become. There are plenty of students who join English spoken course and who are busy in just making notes. No. If I wish to be a better speaker, I have to speak more. If I want to be a fantastic writer, I need to write more. So choose a direction wisely and find the way of practice wisely. Last but not the least, and I'm pretty sure you must have already assumed that, practice. Okay? There are no shortcuts, there are no tricks, there is no Harry Potter potion, there is no homemade remedy. What you can do from your side is practice. I do agree there are plenty of ways to practice. So for that you have to have a better teacher, alright? If you want to ask me any question everyone, please do drop your queries in the comment section. Okay? I am here to help you. I promise you I will definitely read your comments and would help you if it's possible for me. All the very best. Keep learning.